In this video, we are going to fix JavaScript error occurred in your process. Okay, so first you need to go to apps. So you need to check whether which apps creating this issue. So you need to find out, and in the error itself, you can see the app name. So first you need to go to a Microsoft C++ and click the modify, and this pop-up will appear. In this, you need to click repair. Now it's successfully set up. Again, you need to how many Microsoft C++ you have. You need to do it for all the items as set up successfully installed. So clear it. After that, need to go back and need to right click and go to task manager. In this first you need to scroll down and check for Discord if have any background running apps. Okay, if have means you need to end task, then go to startup pro apps and you need to search for yes Discord, and you need to enable the startup apps. Just close it, and after that go to settings. In this type run and type app data and click OK. Once you click this, this will appear. In that you need to go to discard and search for catches and click the catch and click it and delete the catch files. Don't panic, it will only delete the caches and logs, so it will not affect the account. So you can delete the caches and search for any caches are outside, and any logs are there. So once completed, then you need to search and go to a control panel. As in that you need to go to uninstall a program, and in this you need to click the Discord and you need to uninstall the Discord. Once you uninstall the Discord, then again you go to the official website of Discord and reinstall and download and reinstall the Discord, and the problem will be fixed. So now uninstall it and need to come back, and once restart your PC, then after you go to official website and reinstall it. Thank you.